I want to thank you again for viewing this PlyGem YouTube video on tips on how to install vinyl siding. What we're going to show you today is actually how to install fixture mounts on the wall, which are critical and make the house look good. We're going to show you 3 types of fixture mounts. The first one Eric partially has installed up there. That's a standard fixture mount that you'd use for a removable fixture, something like a light fixture, something like that. We're also going to show you electrical block in a little bit, and then a little bit at the end of it, we're going to show you how to put a fixture mount on something that's non-removable like a hose bib. So let's start with the simple one. As you can see, Eric has partially installed it. He's got the base on. He's going to show you the 2 pieces now before we put them up. It has a base that he's already installed, and there's a cover that goes on top. So he's got the base already installed. You want to nail it in, put a bead of sealant around it, and then flash it. So he's going to go ahead and put the last piece of flashing in just to show you that we covered that. You should put a bead of sealant, especially on the top. So he'll just pop that on and just staple that on there. So that's a standard fixture mount. Once he has that on there, the next step, he's going to take the cover and he's actually going to pop it onto it. Make sure he puts it around the wire. It's very easy to do. By the way, these are all adjustable, so you can adjust it to any kind of siding, including structure and foam back panels. And again, we just want to show you what you do next. You can take a piece of vinyl siding and you'll install siding all around this, and he's just showing you it builds a J-channel. You make sure you leave a 1/4 inch on all 4 sides as you go around so the siding can expand and contract. So that's a standard fixture mount. Let's show you another option that's almost needed on every house. It's called a UL block. And what that is, again, it's 2 pieces as Eric's showing you here. I'll pop off the top, and you can see in the back it already has the block there for your receptacle or your electrical piece to go in there. So you're going to attach this to the wall just like the fixture mount. You're going to put it on the wall. You're going to screw it in, attach all the electrical, and then you're going to run your siding around the wall, and then you're going to pop your cover on. So it installs the same way, but it's a very important block because it covers the UL electrical outlet you have. Let's talk about the last one. This is the one if you have an outlet that you can't remove, and it's really a hose bib or a pipe to a air conditioning unit. As you can see, Eric's showing you again, it's a 2-piece mounting block with a base. You take the cover off. And again, what he's done here, it has a hole in it, but he's elongated it a little bit so that it fits around the pipe. So he's actually going to install this. You'll want your siding up already to this point. And again, all he's going to do is he's going to attach that. It has a hinge. You don't have to take the pipe off. You'll attach it. And then again, he'll put the cover on after he puts the siding. Let's give you one more option with this because sometimes you may not have the ability to get a hinged mount or split block. So what you're going to have to do, we give you another option. We want you to go ahead and take your course of siding and force the overlap at the hose bib. And what Eric's actually done, he's marked where the hose bib lies on the panel, and he's cut a slot into both sides. And this is important. He made those slots a little bit bigger, a 1/4 inch bigger than the diameter of the pipe. So he's going to install this and show you don't want to use sealant in this area. It will restrict the panel from moving. So he puts the left side panel up, slides it around the pipe. He would normally nail that. Then he'd take the right side. He shows you very clearly, overlap it. Make sure that you overlap at the right amount, 1.5 inches. And then he would nail that piece up. And now he's got the panels going right around the hose bib, and it works perfectly. And now you have all your 3 fixture mounts. Again, thanks for checking out our YouTube video. Continue to check your YouTube for more PlyGem vinyl siding tips.